In this guide, I will show you step by step how to log in DNB Bank of Norway. So all you have to do, go to Google and search for DNB Bank. This is a keyword you can see here, and then click on this first website here. After that, you will see this page, official page. Click just on login option on this one, this login option. After click on login option, write your user ID. So write your 11 digits of your user ID. And then, for example, this is, or you can write your national identity number. For example, this is national identity number, and then click login option. This is, you can do it is easy steps. If you want to log in through this app, DNB Bank app, write this on app. You can download this on Google Play. Just click download this app and you can start log in without any problem. It is easy steps, guys. All you have to do, download this app and then log in with your all details here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you another